Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to download and install any Canon printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the bottom search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, please wait until a best match would appear, and once it's here, click on Open to continue. So in a few moments, you would be redirected to the Google Chrome browser. We just have to wait until everything are set here before we proceed. So once the search bar is being available, so you can use the search toolbar to search for the Canon driver that you would like to set with. Okay, so let's say for example, you would like to search for Canon LBP 3300. So just have to click on the enter key and eventually you would be able to see this kind of window. Or you can simply type for Canon printer driver and hit the enter key. Okay, and in this way you just have to go with this one and you would be able to see the search toolbar here where you can search for your Canon driver. Okay, so just have to type it here. Okay, so in that way you would be able to search for your Canon printer driver in your Google Chrome. So let's use this one and type for the Canon printer driver that we would like to install here. So let's say for example we would like to install Canon LBP 3300 driver. So hit the enter key and wait until you would be redirected to the result. So please proceed to this one. Click on it. Okay, you would be able to see a bunch of results and eventually you'd be able to see this option where you can download it. Just hit this download option so that you can download on this one. So eventually you just have to proceed to the upper right side of it and eventually it will be downloaded here. Once it marked done here, just click on this folder icon to show it in folder. Okay, and you would be able to be redirected to the location where it is being placed or saved to. The next step that you need to do is you need to click on this cut icon, close the window as well as this one, and here at the desktop, please make a right click and go with this paste icon. The moment you have pasted it, let's move on to the extracting of this file. So by that, please make a right click on the file that we have downloaded and you need to wait until the second to the last option would be available, and once it's here go with extract to. So we just have to wait until it would be extracted here, and once done please navigate to the settings. So by that, please make a right click here at the start icon and go with the settings. So you would be redirected to the settings window. We just have to wait until everything are set here. So from here, please navigate to the Bluetooth and devices. Okay, and you need to proceed to the devices to open up your devices settings and you need to scroll down. Okay, and locate to this option called more devices and printer settings. So from here, all you need to do is you need to proceed to the top side of that. You can see there add a printer and proceed to the printer that I want isn't listed and go with add a local printer or network printer with manual settings and click on next. Go with this down arrow key and use among of these three USB ports. It could be 001, 002, or 003. In my case, I'll be using USB 001. Click on next once you have set it and go with have it. Click on browse. And from here, navigate to the desktop where our extracted file is being located to. And you need to scroll down and select to this one. So double tap to it and go with the driver and it will show you the driver here. Go with open, click on the OK option and it will be placed here. Go with next and go with next again, and it will now start on the installation. So please allow for printer sharing. Okay. And if you would like to set it as your default printer, you can check the box. In my case, I don't want to. That's why I'm leaving it unchecked. Go with finished, and there you have that. You have just successfully installed a Canon printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So by that, please close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.